I got the diamonds, diamonds, laying nose being. I got diamonds, diamonds.
Hi guys, I'm Nikhil Chawla from the Unbiased blog, and today I'm going to tell you 8 reasons to buy the Honor 8X, and we're going to do it in a very different way. We'll take each level, each different aspect of the device and tell you why you should buy. So 8 reasons to buy Honor 8X. Let's do it.
I got the diamonds, clothes, gonna play it nose being broke. Diamonds, clothes, gonna play it nose being broke.
So we are at level 1, and level 1 is design. So let's talk about the design of Honor 8X.
Gonna play it nose being broke. Diamonds, clothes, gonna play it nose.
Honor 8X comes with a glass body with visual grading effect. The second generation integral film with 2 visual effects and 15 layers of rich reflective craftsmanship on the same glass back. On the left border you'll notice complex intertwined and grained texture, and on the right border is classic unique pattern of Honor flagship phones. It is nothing like what we've seen before thanks to the drool-worthy dual tone finish. The device comes in 3 colors, blue, black and red.
Hi guys, we reached level 2. Now it's time to talk about the display of Honor 8X.
The Honor 8X comes with a 6.5 inches borderless full view FHD Plus display, and with its nearly borderless design, the phone can retain the same body size as a 5.5 inches phone, making for an easier grip. With advanced chip-on-film technology and special antenna design, it has only 4.25 mm width at the bottom border and an incredible screen-to-body ratio of 91%. The 19.5:9 aspect ratio and enhanced visual quality show more details and offer a better cinematic experience.
Guys, we reached level 3, and now we're going to talk about the camera of Honor 8X.
The AI dual cameras capture pictures at resolution of up to 20 megapixels, and the AI multi-scene recognition can identify 22 different categories of objects and 500 scenarios in real time. The Honor 8X also has Super Night Shot that eliminates shaky images with long exposure photos and support machine learning based multi-frame stabilization. The users can also record super slow motion videos at 16x slow motion at 480 fps. Talking about the front selfie camera, it has a 16 megapixel front camera enabling high quality selfies with enhanced ISO and supports 4-in-1 light fusion and multi-image processing to create quality and beautiful selfies with bokeh effects.
Hi guys, this is level 4, and now we're going to talk about the battery of the Honor 8X.
Honor 8X comes with one of the highest battery capacity you will find on an Honor smartphone. The 3750 mAh battery with intelligent battery save system ensures you get a day and a half of heavy usage from a single charge.
Hi guys, this is level 5, and we're going to talk about the performance of the device.
Thanks to the powerful Kirin 710 chipset, a 12nm Cortex A73 generation based SoC and a Mali G51 GPU, the CPU single performance has increased by 75% and the GPU performance by a massive 130% over the last generation. Also, the proprietary GPU turbo boosts efficiency in graphics processing with full FPS and FPS stability for gaming while reducing power consumption.
Hi guys, we reached level 6, and it's time to talk about the hardware of the device.
Honor 8X comes in a 4GB plus 64GB ROM or 6GB RAM plus 64GB storage and top-end 6GB plus 128GB variant. Any of these configurations can be further extended with a dedicated microSD card up to 400GB. In terms of connectivity options, you get dual SIM 4G VoLTE support along with Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.2, micro USB 2.0, GPS and a 3.5mm headphone jack. The sensors include fingerprint sensor, proximity sensor, ambient light sensor, digital compass, gravity sensor and a gyroscope.
Now this is level 7. Now we're going to talk about the software of the Honor 8X.
Emotion UI or EMUI on the Honor 8X is packed full of features, and these modifications give device some uniqueness. EMUI 8.20 is based on Android 8.1, so it comes with all latest Android features including picture-in-picture mode, battery saving improvements like background application restriction and more. One of the best features I found in EMUI was also one of the simplest, the fingerprint gestures. Being able to swipe down my index finger to open notifications quickly became my second nature and will be something I'll miss on other phones.
Level 8, the final factor. We're going to talk about the price which decides whether you should buy the device or not.
Honor 8X is a mid-range phone that you would like to flaunt. The dual-tone design, vivid display, great battery life and the reasonably powerful chipset won me over for a device that starts at just 14,999.
So guys, how did you like our video? 8 levels, 8 reasons to buy Honor 8X. Now it's time to head back to our office. So if you like the video, subscribe to our channel, share the video, spread the love. Thanks for watching the Unbiased vlog and we should catch you later.